रॉन जेल से फरार होकर बाहर बिरयानी खाने को नहीं आया है, खेल खत्म करने आया है।
Ram is an Indian film actor who is known for his work in Telugu cinema. Ram is the nephew of noted film producer Sravanti Ravikishore. Ram born in Hyderabad, India on May 15. He was brought up and finished his education in Chennai. He is the nephew of Telugu producer Sravanti Ravikishore. Ram started his acting career at a very young age of 12 years. He acted in a short film by the name ID in Tamil and was awarded the Best Actor award among the 120 films screened from 60 countries at the European Film Festival conducted at Otten, Switzerland. He is obsessed with the career option of becoming an actor with a profound commitment and zeal. His strenuous effort, hard work, almost 18 hours a day, and the passion of acting resulted into him being identified by renowned director and producer Mr. YVS Chaudhary, a perfectionist to the core, for making his film Devadashu. Ram grabbed the opportunity provided to him and continued his commitment, sincerity, and dedication in performing the lead role of the film Devadashu. Ram, the promising youngster, has attained glory with his maiden film in Telugu Devadashu. The Telugu film industry suddenly found a young and dynamic person with a lot of acting ability, extreme ease and dancing skills, and also the power of portraying action scenes too. He is known to be the youngest hero of the South. The Telugu film industry noticed the new talent with awe and admiration, and the audience made it a big blockbuster, creating a history of running 175 days in 17 countries for a debut hero. His performance in the film got him the real recognition when he got a second opportunity in the film Jagadam from another perfection director, Mr. Sukumar. It was a crazy project with much expectation and did a business of around 14 crores, which again is a record for a newcomer. Even though it did not fare well at the box office, Ram got much critical acclaim for his performance. Then he did his third film ready for his home banner, Sri Sravanti Movies, which turned out to be another blockbuster for him and a top grosser in the USA. It took him a different level and established him as one of the top heroes in Tollywood. His fourth film Maska had high expectation due to his earlier hits. Maska co-starred Hanshika and Sheila. It was released on January 14, 2009. It was directed by B. Gopal. It was produced by Movie Special Raju. It was a surprising combination with Chakri as a music director. The music reached its expectations. The movie, even though was not the biggest hit in Ram's career, had massive openings and collected more than his previous films, thus making him a superstar. Friends, I hope you like this video. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up. Please subscribe this channel for more latest update. Thank you very much. Stay with us.